Okay, another video. This is a solar powered supercapacitor flashlight thing. So I got a Ryobi box. That was a toolbox. This is a 5 volt 100 milliamp solar panel. So it can go up higher than the maximum rating of a bunch of supercapacitors that I have in parallel. Right? So this comes out of here, goes into this thing, which is essentially a voltage. It's a regulator, kind of. So it regulates it down to what I have it at, something like 2.2 volts. The way I did that was with 5 parallel red LEDs with transistor, I think. So I think I have it's a transistor red LED shunt is what I was doing. So if the voltage gets above what was the voltage rating of a red LED, then it shunts it to ground. And so then I did 5 of those. So anyway, if the voltage gets above 2.2, it'll just waste it at ground. Other than that, then it goes out of a Schottky at the end of this, and then into these. I guess it's like 6 100 farad capacitors that are in parallel, but these are max 2.7 volts, otherwise they go bad. So that's why I keep it at 2.2, and then these go through a switch, which is somewhere up here, and then that goes into a voltage booster that boosts this back up to 5 volts, which then goes through a resistor and then into a white LED. There, you actually see the voltage booster here, and I just soldered this onto the side output, so I can plug something into this, or I can just use the LED. Now, if I plugged it in, the LED would still be connected, which could be annoying because it would waste some of that power. Well, let's look. Ooh, and this will last for I think it was like 2 days to for this light to stay on, which is pretty bright. It's useful in the dark. And so, I mean, there is a resistor in line with this, so it's not using too much current. And I can leave it in the sun, and it will not get above what's in the capacitors because of that regulator thing. So there we go. Oh yeah, just the point of this is you have an emergency flashlight that is not based on lithium-ion batteries. So if you leave it out in the sun for 5 years, and you go to pick it up, and you're like, oh no, the lithium-ion battery's dead. Well, guess what? This is not in here. This is not nickel cadmium. This is not lithium-ion. It is capacitors. And if they are used in this way, they do not go bad for 300 years. So this is a true emergency flashlight that will not go bad. You don't have to check it all the time. That's the point of this. So that's is a different way of doing it. I think the previous videos I used solar panels that were less than the max of the super caps. But this is the point of this, is to show you a way you can do it with. You have a panel that's rated above, and then you have to shunt that power out before it goes into the caps. All right, I'm done.